Warmly Greeting is an Android application designed to help users craft and send personalized greeting messages for various occasions, such as birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, and more. The app features a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to select from a wide range of templates and designs, allowing users to add their own messages and images to create unique cards. The app emphasizes the importance of personal connection, offering customizable options that enable users to express their feelings genuinely. With a variety of fonts, colors, and graphics available, users can tailor their greetings to suit the recipient's taste and the specific occasion. Additionally, Warmly Greeting often includes features such as reminders for upcoming events, ensuring that users never miss an opportunity to send a thoughtful message. Moreover, the app may allow users to share their creations directly through social media or messaging platforms, making it convenient to reach loved ones instantly. Overall, Warmly Greeting serves as a delightful tool for anyone looking to spread joy and strengthen relationships through thoughtful and personalized greetings.